Do you use the trunk rotation machine at your gym? A lot of people make some critical errors when using this machine. Check out our tips so you can avoid them and make sure that this exercise is as effective for you as possible. Hey, welcome back everybody to Trainer Tip Tuesday. All month long, we are going to be talking about the trunk rotation machine. There are some critical things that you need to keep in mind when using this machine to make sure that not only are you staying safe while you're using it, but the exercises that you're doing are as effective as possible.
This week on Trainer Tip Tuesday, I'm going to be talking to you about where to stop your motion when you're doing the trunk rotation machine. A few weeks back, we talked about how to pick a starting position on your trunk rotation machine. So we have that all set, but then the question becomes, well, how far do I rotate away from the starting position? When do I know when to stop? The common thing that I see in the gym is that people really fling this machine and they move with tons of momentum. So the way you actually want to do this is if you move super slow, rotating your pelvis so that you're rotating, you want to feel where your body stops you. Perfect. And if you move quickly, you'll notice that you can generally fling yourself a lot further. You want to move nice and slow so that your body can find the end range rather than momentum find the end range.
Keep this tip in mind the next time you use the trunk rotation machine at your gym to make sure not only are you staying safe while you do it, but this exercise is as effective as possible.